Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download your raw DNA data from Ancestry.com so you can use it on another platforms for personal backup. First of all, open the Ancestry application, or you can go to the browser and type Ancestry.com and make sure your device is connected to the internet. I'll open the Ancestry application. Then select your DNA results summary to access your DNA profile. At the below you will see the DNA. Click here. Now click on settings in the DNA menu. Scroll down to the section that says download raw DNA data Ancestry. That will show information about what this download includes. Then another step is to request the download file. After that you can request the download file. Open the email from Ancestry, click the download link and save your raw DNA file to your computer. This file is usually in a .txt format, ready for upload to other DNA tools. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded your raw DNA data from Ancestry. Like and subscribe for more genealogy tips, and I'll see you in the next one.